All right. Oh. Talk about selling Myrna too soon. I'm a freaking idiot. I feel stupid. Sup, Rob? You ever ask yourself, how can you make 400% and feel stupid? By not making 1,000%. I don't know about myself sometimes. Frickin' Myrna, close at 153. I sold over here probably 146. I don't know exactly. It's option, so I don't get an actual fill price. But yeah. Then the stupid thing gaps up another fucking $25. Sheesh, that'd have been another 200% on top of my trade. So easily 700%, and probably more to go. One thing I was going to look at is actually no, Rob, it couldn't have gone the other way. Not in 2020. One thing I was going to look at though was, other than BTC tanking into the dirt, is the valuation of Myrna. Last time we looked, they had another 52 billion. Yeah, they were super small and we were looking at them. But yeah, they had like a $1.2 billion dealio. Anyway, too many damn news articles on Myrna right now, but you get the point. You get the point right there. Anyway, I just took the profit. I'm like, yeah, Pfizer's making a vaccine. Pfizer, PVPZR. Damn, PHIZER. Damn it, how do you spell Pfizer? PFIZER. PFE. There you go. Yeah, multiple vaccine makers for sure, but Myrna was the smallest of them. Pfizer's a huge business. They do like, actually, speaking of which, there we go. Pfizer does, oh, only 8 billion. And Myrna does only 300 million, 250 million in sales. So they're about 14 times, actually more than that, 28 times the size or something like that of Myrna. Yeah, we're gonna use multiple companies. Hell yeah, they are. They're trying to crank this bitch out. So Myrna just, I don't know. Like I said, how can you be mad making 400% by not making 1,000? Market's gonna open in 1 minute. I don't know. I'm kind of annoyed by that. It's gonna be what it's gonna be. Tesla doing okay today after selling off yesterday. First selling day in a while, and pretty good volume too. Pretty good volume, but that wasn't all. You know what? I wonder if I can get to my good old volume aggregation tool here. So here's Tesla yesterday on the 1 minute volume aggregation tool. Oh, pretty red. Red, red. A little bit of green, and then very red towards the end of the day there. Geesh, there's just some people taking profits up there. And it looks like they're right back to the high. Let's see if it's going to be a repeat. There's the pre-market price, 297.59. Let's see if it's going to be a repeat or not. Hey, what's up, R. Pete? All right, market's open. And Myrna, 16%. You son of a bitch. XPEV, space.com, another 5. How's space doing? Oh, wow, it sold off yesterday. I haven't really been watching it. Cool, cool. NASDAQ 0.83. NASDAQ looks like onward and upward. Pretty good for NASDAQ. NIO. Don't start giving me problems. You know what? I think I'm just going to exit and then re-enter. Had Myrna at 75 and sold at 65. Jeesh. Oh, here? Oh. Yeah, should yeah, that last leg up was really good. I didn't like that leg. Yeah, now it's at 175. Crazy, man. Absolutely crazy. Just a brilliant run. I saw this little I bought right out of this little base right here. Just this little guy. Classic Dan Zanger stuff. Right there. Yeah, his classic stuff doesn't do this, but it's definitely good. All right, now be better. Be best. Be best. Myrna down 13. USLV. Very Fine Foods up another 7%. Had a great day yesterday. Look at the volume. Elevated, not super, super heavy. Definitely could have a lot more to go in Very Fine Foods. Although I wouldn't be buying it up here. It's pretty extended. If you do buy it up here, you may have to sell it today too. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. AYRO. XPEV space. Silver taking it. Let's reduce my window size. There we go. Space doing good. Soxel, 420. Holy crap. My Soxel option. Oh my gosh. So much left on the table. Just like, just like so much money. So much money just spread out across that I never took. Ugh. Ridiculous. Would you sell and take profits or hold long term? I'm holding my. I do have some. I have Very Fine Foods in my big account. Not a lot. Not a lot. It's like 2% of my account. Maybe today's 2.5%. But, okay. So, yeah, I've got, ooh, it's worth 3.17% of my account. Maybe it'll be worth 6% of my account one day. I don't know, but I'm holding on to it. I'm not looking to exit this thing. I love this setup, Rob. Like, we've seen this. How many times have we seen this? But from up here. You know what I mean? We're up here at 10 bucks, 12 bucks, something like that. We see this often, but usually from up here, not from down here. So when I actually got this on this big topping day, and I've held it the entire time. I'm like, not mad, not mad. It was a small position size, so I mean, it's enough to be meaningful, but it's not a big position size. So I was pretty comfortable holding that. I like it. And I have some cash to play with today. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it. I may have to TQQQ it. I don't know. I'm not going to get in Myrna up here. It's just too much. Should sell Myrna up here. Dude, the options on Myrna are ridiculous. Ridiculous. Absolutely crazy. But I don't know if I want to bet against it, though. It's one of the ones. So, Tesla 4? Oh, wow. 4%. That's quite a bit. Yeah, that's quite a bit. But we're not going to go anywhere today. We're consolidating now, so. I could just save the cash to buy Tesla whenever it dips back to whatever it's going to dip back to. Did the other day, I did a live stream and I was doing some homework. And we talked about maybe the 10-day, although the 10-day is catching up pretty quick. Day before yesterday, it was down at 497. Today, it's at 531. So the 10-day is catching up. Yeah, we could spike down to the 10-day. We'll see. I don't know about the 50-day. 50-day seems too far down here at 443. I don't like that. Maybe the 20-day at 475. Maybe for a spike. That'd be a great place to add to that position on a spike like that. That'd be super cool. Such a good run. If you were to measure and move this out, which looks like I've already loosely done. If you're to measure and move this out, say it takes a week or two, you're looking at 795, probably spike to 8 or so by January. If it's going to measure and move and do that exact same thing. So I got my positions for a long ass time. A long, long time. I got them to July. So probably way too long. But that would be very classical right there. Actually, if it extended further than that, I know I have a 900 target, but I almost feel like it'd be too much. But who the hell am I? I can't tell the chart what to do. Have you had a chance to compare 2013 to 2020 run? No, I don't think they're the same though. The circumstances are completely different. Tesla's a completely different company. I mean, these were the early, early days of Tesla. Yeah, I actually bought this run. I bought it right here, and then I ended up selling, I think, up here somewhere. I just took this little leg, something like that. But yeah, I don't think they're similar. I do have a model book stock for this. Actually, that almost looks like a model book stock too, right there. This run didn't continue very far. 14%. We're well past that. So we're past that. This one, I guess maybe if you can consider that a symmetrical triangle. Now that looks pretty similar. And this one came back and tested the 50-day. This could be another model book up 84%. That may be similar. Of course, that's a high tide flag I bought off of. So I already traded that one. I don't think we don't have a high tide flag right now. This is just a very traditional I think it's a flat base. No, no, I guess it'd be just a cup. It would be just a cup base, but no, Tesla is in a completely different part of its business. Early on 2013 when it broke out, it was if I'm remembering right, it was just coming out with the Model S or announced or just came out with the Model S, and they were actually going to start producing cars in some type of number where before they were just talking about it, and then now they're already at scale and they're scaling. So like I said in that video, I think it's definitely more like that Apple from 2005 than even the earlier Tesla runs. It's such a completely different business, and the institutions. I don't know, man. It has had a substantial run. I don't want to count on or blow off top. I mean, if it happens, it happens, and we'll be here, but and we'll cash out. But I don't know. I kind of hope it's just more measured, and we just base. We go up to 750, 850, whatever, base up here, and then continue on again. That's what I hope happens. I don't know what's going to transpire though. That's kind of what I'm looking at. Anyway, all right. So there's Tesla. I'm probably have to adjust these again. Yeah. All right. Space SLV. Corsair. Corsair recent IPO. They make mouse, keyboard, computer peripheral type stuff. Basically mouses and keyboards. I don't own any, but heard of them forever. Been around a long time. Didn't even consider them being public or not. Oddly enough, I think of everything as being public or not, but haven't considered these guys. They've come down quite a bit. I don't have good volume on them right now. Weekly, it looks like I have some. And topping candle. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, not too bad right here. Nice reversal yesterday off the 20-day moving average. So this could be a reversal territory for Corsair. Hey, what up, Kushit? You're on the UU train. Let's look at IVR, then we'll look at UU. Haven't seen IVR about a week or so. Yeah, pretty good volume on IVR. Absolutely. Yeah, it looks good. I like it. I'm not sure if I like it enough to buy it, but I do like it. It does look very nice. Now, I still don't know much about them. I know they do. They used to have a huge dividend, and now they don't anymore. It's a tenth of the size. If they get that dividend back, I mean, they should go back up, but it's just been stagnant for so long. I'm not sure if they're commercial. I'm not sure if they're residential. I mean, there's been a fairly large shift in the real estate market too. Like, as you know, housing prices are through the roof. I don't know what's going on with commercial. Should be in the dumps. So I'm not sure if that's going to adversely affect IVR. But Yeah, I no, I like technically it looks really good. Zero issues with it technically. All right, let's take a look at Quad U. Yeah, 4Us. What's up? All right. Ooh, it looks very nice. Ethan, do you like this one? What do you like it? What do you think about it?
I think Tesla's better.
Hmm? You think Tesla's better? It is better. What are you eating? What candy? You're not supposed to be eating candy in the morning. Is it gum? Then say it's gum. What do you got to think about? Just say, Dad, it's gum. Act like it beat you or something. Oops. All right. Come on. Just trying to get to 0. I really wish I could draw a horizontal line on this program. Yeah, so Quad U coming up out of this definite nice flat base. You got your moving averages all in the right places as of right now. Yeah, this thing definitely could go in on a run. Um, yeah, I think Quad U could go on a run here. I just don't know what they do. I don't remember, but that I like this setup. This is nice. Actually, this looks very familiar to the VFF setup that we took. Well, I took. Um, not quite as wide over here, which is good, and nice breakout. So yeah, this looks excellent. That looks really good. Uber screwed me yesterday. Well, I should say the options did. Uber's okay, but my options were all over the place. I bought it on the day it was trying to break out, and then it was this day. I bought it on this day, then it was down 36%. On this day, I was up like 4%. And then yesterday happened and I was down 50%. I'm like, okay, I'm just done. So I just cut it. If you have stock though, I think you can give it some time. It's above everything. It's on all-time highs. It's just consolidating. I don't really have any major quarrels with it. It looks pretty good, all in all. Yeah, not bad. See Netflix poking around up here. Oh wow, this morning, Netflix getting started, y'all. Oh, you know what? I had a small Netflix trade lined up. Um, 1218 500. Let's see what that looks like on the options calculator. Did you sleep good, bud? Biscuit wake you up at all? No? Good. Huh?
But I didn't,
Oh, you heard him?
no, I didn't want to get up.
Well, I asked you if he woke you up. Anyway, killing me. Oh. All right, so I've got a 1218 with a 500 strike, which is still at 160% for 1218. Be a fairly aggressive run. I think I don't know. It looks like we're back on the upward trajectory here for Netflix. Could do the 505 or the 497. That'd give me to the end of the year for Netflix 550, 425 break even. It's not bad. It's actually not bad. What do you think, Ethan? You think Netflix can get to 550 by December 31st? Basically, right here. Yeah, it's possible, right? We had this expansion here, which was a day. We had this one, which was 8 days to get up to there.
So this spike down.
50% up, 50% down. Welcome to my world. 50% up, 50% down. Sounds about right. Yeah, good action. Good action for Netflix this morning. Volume pretty good. Actually, it looks really good. That's not a bad trade. 100% on the table. Tesla coming in as a company, you mean? Or what do you mean? What do you got? Do you want me to expand this again?
It's
It's flat. Yeah, no, yeah, no, well, yeah, see, exactly. That's a good thing. So it's up here. So this is technically what's called when something goes up, it's called a bull. Or if you want it to go up, you say I'm bullish. And so this is a form of a bull flag right there, and it's creating a parallel channel right here. And so we should be range bound, which means that we're at the low, we should go up to the high. That's the theory. I usually don't trade that way though, but I think it'll work out. All right, somehow GBTC's up today. Did they forget about the action that just happened? Did Bitcoin just rally back through and I'm not aware of it? Yeah, it rallied back through a little bit, didn't it? Yeah. Nice, it just got going again. So GBTC right back at it. Riot Blockchain, something else I have a small position in. Doom actually up today. All right, we're trying to bounce back. Very interesting. Facebook. Facebook trying to get started too. Oh, look at Facebook. Facebook not too bad. Look at that, guys. Look at Facebook. Can't be mad at Facebook. Well, you can be, and you're allowed to be, and you should be, but still, it's Facebook. That's been relatively, the volatility's been relatively benign on that. I don't know, what else you guys got? A Quad U did look pretty good too. Micron. All right, Micron's non-stop. Somehow it has red candles, but yet it's still higher. I don't know how that works. Orio, Planet, Soxel. Talk about can't stop, won't stop. Zoom down significantly, 12%. VFF down, finally. Oh, that's Planetar. Okay, there's VFF. A little bit of a red day, nothing too bad. Roku, Del Dog, Cell H. How's our buddy Cell H doing? Not bad. Holding pretty well. AMD. See, that's why I didn't buy AMD yesterday because it's going to drop today. I do not mesh well with AMD. Nvidia. Some of these large caps seem a little bit trepidatious. Not quite sure. All right, Apple with a breakout right there. Looking for things to sell. Want some cash? I don't know. Apple's making a move for it, guys. I don't know. Maybe I'll make an Apple trade. Maybe. Can't tell you last time I had a trade in Apple. Super long time. But Apple's a leader and a first mover. Yeah, eyeballing a cool sheet. Yeah, today you should be buying it, it looks like, if you were eyeballing it yesterday. Good, look, great volume yesterday, too. So I guess the question is, what's the price target for Apple? The 137 again? 138? And then I guess how long are you going to give it to get there? Jeez, I got a lot of strike prices here. Hey, what's up, Ellie? I'm looking at Apple, buddy. We don't do a lot of Apple trades, but it's starting a symmetrical triangle breakout. I don't know, Rob. I think it's all kind of whatever. I think they're both their own thing. On what, Apple? What strike prices? I mean, the options look really good. I'm thinking 138. What's your expiration? If I go to 115, which is 45 days, I can get 150% out of it. You did December 15th? See, I'm always way too late. You mean I see the 18th, not the 15th. I'm gonna assume that's right. Damn, that's some freaking money. But I guess it depends when you think it's gonna get there. Yeah, Ellie does keep a lot of secrets. It's a good pocket pivot though. Oh, cheap options. Gamble. You said you went heavy. You went heavy on a gamble? A little dangerous. A little dangerous. Yeah, I don't know. I was thinking like January or so. You said you're the 127? Oh, that is a gamble. That's up today though, so that's good. Bitcoin messing you up, cool sheet. Yeah, well, it's good. It regardless. Long term it's going up, so don't worry about it. Don't worry about all this garbage. And I got a margin account now that's screwing with me. Margins are way different than options. I'm not very happy with the margin. The liquidation thing scares the crap out of me.
Dada,
What's up, bud?
is today December 1st?
Yes, it is. All right, guys, I'll be right back. Give me a minute. Very fine foods. Oh, it's now getting jumpy. It's just now getting jumpy. Okay. Do I not have it up here? Oh, there it is. 4%. It was up way more than 4%, wasn't it? Oh yeah. See, it came all the way back down. Oh, geesh. Yeah, I told you not to buy it up there. Hopefully nobody did. Oh, it's getting droopy is what it is. So hopefully it'll come right back. I don't know. 0.89 for the Nasdaq. Micron up 5%. Ellie, look at that. Bam! Long-term turnaround play in effect. See, told you I'm right about everything. I just don't trade most of it. Corsair. I like Corsair down here too. On a pullback situation. Silver. Looks like garbage. Myrna. PLNHF yesterday was looking great. Also looks great today. This thing has more legs, it looks like. SLV. GBTC, ESNT. KG. Facebook looking northwards as well. Um, I was just looking at this. Oh no, I got Apple and Facebook. I don't know. Apple looks a lot better though. Actually, if I'm looking right, Facebook had it closed high yesterday. It wasn't a pocket pivot though. Yeah, PLNHF looks really great, Rob. Yeah, I think this is good. I think this Apple, maybe I'll just take this Apple trade. It's looking really good. All right, so what do we got? I got 138 target, which is the prior high. And if I give it to January 15th, it's 150, 160%. That could be pretty good. If it goes on a little run here, I could buy a shorter term, but I don't know. I don't know about shorter term right now. I want a little bit longer term. Looks like the Nasdaq's about to break out, which is obviously great for Apple. So yeah, 138. I think I may take this. AMRH. 4 million short, 10 million float, 4 million traded today. Merger rumors, no warrant. This I don't see AMRH. ARMH. I see ARMH, but it looks like it was bought in 2016. AMRH. Yeah, it's doesn't look like anything. All right, so Apple 125, 150, 125. All right, we'll see how Apple plays out. Apple looks pretty good right there. Tight range on pays. What if I want to add Apple to my cash account here? You just saw Myrna? Yeah, right? Exactly. What's up, bud?
Funny show.
No, he moves like every 24 hours, whenever he feels like it. He just moves around. Where's he at?
A campfire place.
On what?
On the top of the campfire place.
Yeah. Oh, fireplace. Oh, okay. Gotcha. Okay, so yeah, pay that's yeah, that's interesting right there, Rob. Double bottom here on the weekly. You know, Ellie, I was asking myself that same question to be honest with you. What about parabolic with three gaps? Um, more is the answer to that. Generally, dude, it's coronavirus. It's the vaccine to coronavirus. It's like their only big product right now. It's gonna make them who they're gonna be next, and I don't know when they're gonna stop, but yeah. Like I started the show this morning asking the question, how can you be mad when you just made 400% in a stock? When you wake up the next day and it could have been basically 1,000%, although like 700%, but 1,000% sounds way better. So anyway, it's like Tesla bouncing back a little bit, not too much. Apple, NASDAQ 0.89. There's Corsair, Myrna coming down a little bit. I always sell a day too early. That seems to be my MO. A day too early or a day too late. It's all good. Yeah.
Chocolate.
You guys can have breakfast first.
I was gonna say I was gonna say on our morning break.
On your morning break? Okay.
And can you get my cereal and other stuff? Because I can't reach that high for.
All right, guys, hold on a minute. I'll be right back. Inverted Myrna is Nicola. Yeah, screw that place. Should have shorted that big move up the other day. Those are some of the best trades in the market. Look at those. Boom, boom. Huge percentages. Everybody just freaking running out of them. All right, 1.1 for the NASDAQ. Tesla even bouncing back up. Does that mean Apple's doing good? All right, Apple's doing pretty good. Tesla holding super strong. Yeah, go ahead and do that, Rob. Yeah, just let me know how it goes. All right, GDLC down a bunch. I shouldn't be tempting you. I'm goading you on. I think you made too much money, Rob. Go buy some Nikola. Stupid Bitcoin. Pissed me off this morning. All right, Myrna's still holding up. Ain't going nowhere. Corsair Space, IVR, INSG, guys. Maybe? Maybe? Kind of like the, maybe I should jump on some TQQQ with some of my cash here. It's going for it. I think it'll keep going for it too. I don't know. It's probably better put to use elsewhere. I could add some though. Yeah. I was there for the whole thing too. And I was actually working. I was working on Pi Method stuff, so I wasn't really paying that close attention. So I missed the whole leg down and the whole leg back up because I was just doing other shit. Figures. 2K Doji. Right? Sounds about right. How about Facebook? Looked at Facebook a little bit. Not a ton of volume. Not sure if Facebook. How about Google? I haven't seen Google in a long time. Wow, Google looks nice. It likes to shake the shit out of everyone, though. That's a problem. All right, what else are we missing, guys? Some MJ names, maybe? How's MJ doing today? Stagnant. Beyond Meat. Loosely Dead. What else? What else? What else? What else? I know what I need to do. I know what needs to be done. Baby F. Oh, wow. Sorry, reading right now. Model Y gets green light for China sales. It's official, according to IBD. Whatever that means. Shop, that's a good one. Oh, wow. Last time we looked at this, it wasn't breaking out. Okay, why can't I get the freaking tool to work? Stupid. Come on. Apparently that was 4 days ago. It's since broken out. Okay. Volume's okay. Yeah, works now. I don't want it now. Yeah, shop does look interesting. Could be going going further. Has been basing for quite a while. All right, what else we got? That Micron looks great. Soxel. I should just jump on Soxel and hold on to it for crying out loud. Jeez. I had a 300 call for January of 2022. Holy crap. This thing would be worth a frickload of money right now. All I see is old trades around the market. Seriously. I gotta go back and back test these and just figure it out. Cause I don't know, maybe holding on to some of these could be a bunch of 50. Okay, I'm looking at my Soxel trade now. Unless you guys have something else we should be looking at. Let's check on Apple. Doing good. All right. Let's look at how much money I would have had in Soxel. This was back before I actually had like a fairly, I mean, I guess it was a good size account, but it's much better now. Oh, that's weird. Okay, Soxel. No alerts. Well, why would I have an alert? Let's see how much money Randy would have had today if garbage. If no. There we go. All right. So I had January 2022. Oh yeah, that wasn't a lot at all. I was up like 150% on it. So I had a 95 call and I bought it for 42 bucks. You want to kick yourself in the dick? Do this all day long. A lot of fun. 95 call barely makes it on the list for 42 bucks. It's up 300. It's at 337. So not quite a 10 bagger, but Pretty close. Pretty close to a 10 bagger. What would that be, like an 8 bagger or something? 336. You still got it? You're the man, Rob. My options make me skittish, make me a little pansy. So 790% is what I would have had. So a little over double that. And that's an excellent return. Yeah, just keep holding on to that thing, man. All these chips. It's like the world's going to be made of chips in the near future if it's not already. Yeah, me too. I only got one. I only got one.
And look, it's a choo-choo train.
Oh, pretty cool. Yeah. Is it good? Or is it bad? It's good? All right. You got school in 4 minutes. Are you ready to go?
Yeah.
Did you brush your teeth?
Yeah.
Good. Oh, one share. Okay. Well, hey. It's going to be what it's going to be, Rob. Can't be mad at what it is. All right. So Apple doing pretty good. Tesla still stagnating. NASDAQ 1.14. I'm not sure we'll be able to rally much more than that. Maybe we'll just stagnate here for the rest of the day. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Looks pretty good though. Give you all the apples. All right, guys, I'm gonna bail. I gotta make sure the kids get to school, which I should be good with, and I gotta get ready for the dismal power hour with a bunch of garbage. So that was a lot of selling pressure on Bitcoin. We'll see what happens, but all good. Oh, crush the power hour, yeah. I'm just talking about the Bitcoin price action, all retarded. Took out a big range. Take a little bit to come back, but hopefully it'll come back better. Usually that's what these things do. They help it come back stronger, form better consolidation, all that kind of good stuff. So I'm not mad at it. EXPI. Not going away. Tesla slowly going away. Yeah, that's why I just hold. I get it. Yeah. All right, guys, have a great one. I will see you guys here tomorrow. Stay safe out there. Bye-bye.